Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. It's really, truly an honor and privilege to stand here in front of you today, especially when we are celebrating Hijab Day. First and foremost, I would like to thank NYPD Community Affairs Bureau, the partners, Raja Saab, the facility for putting such a great event, our sister Atiya for your great work at the Mayor's office. I'm going to start with a little story about a hijab, and then I will just roll into a few more comments, and I'm not going to take you much time. I'm standing here in front of you in this uniform because of hijab also. It's a somber moment, and we never forget 9/11. When we lost over 3,000 innocent souls from every faith, from every culture, from every side. Muslims, Jewish, Christians, Hindus, everybody. But unfortunately, Muslim people got the big brunt of it. I used to live right in the middle of Midwood. I was 2.5 years in this country at that time. And that horrific, tragic event happened when the United States was attacked and we lost a lot of innocent souls. Being said that, what I came to know and I found out that my sisters, my mothers, my daughters, they could not walk on the streets of New York City's freedom. Their hijabs were pulled. It heartened me. Along with all other things happened. I used to work in corporate America, and I took responsibility at that time. I need to become part of the change I accept or I expect. And I became a New York City police officer. So we can protect and serve alongside. We become part of this very fabric of the New York City when all faiths, all religions, they can practice freely. They can take part in daily life, daily routines freely without any stress or duress or any hesitation. Muslim women are no different than any other woman. The Jewish women, they cover their head. I have not seen one statue or picture or tapestry in any church with the Mother Mary they portray or any other depictions which has a woman face which is not covered. Our Jewish friends, they wear yarmulke. Muslims, they wear kufi. And we practice our faith as anybody else, which is guaranteed by the First Amendment of New York U.S. Constitution. Now let's go back. Why are we wearing hijab? I don't have to lecture anyone. Muslim women, ladies, my sisters, daughters, they know our interfaith partners. Our ladies wear hijab because Allah has told them to do it. That's the bottom line. We believe in one God, we believe in order, and we practice our faith as anybody else. In Holy Quran, Holy Book, chapter 24, Al-Nur, verse 31st, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has ordered men and women to be modest. And this is the basic principle, how you can basically protect yourself from demons, from devils, and you can live your life the best way possible. But men, this order comes first for men, right? Lower down your gaze. Don't stare at women. Doesn't matter which faith they come from. Doesn't matter they're Muslim or not Muslim. Muslim men is ordered to lower down your gaze and become modest. And the next verse comes for women, cover yourself, don't show your ornaments, so you'll be recognized. So the time of Jahiliyyah, what is considered before Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, got the revelation and he became, he got his prophethood. the time of ignorance. So they have Arab culture, whatever culture was, but later on, to differentiate, same thing, I'm wearing this uniform here, so you can differentiate that I'm a police officer. So I could be recognized. The same thing is for a Muslim woman, cover yourself, wear hijab, so you could be acknowledged who are you. So nobody can bother you, nobody can disturb you. It's for the safety, more is for protection, and show modesty. So congratulations are my daughter, my sisters, my mothers. I'm proud of you all. I'm really, really honored to stand in front of you. Our faith, Islamic faith, makes us better people. It makes us to be more responsible. It makes me to be proud of myself to serve and protect the public beyond. It makes me a better police officer. And definitely, I know I see exactly the same thing in each of you. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless America.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.